Today I am reviewing the BOSGAME P3 Lite Mini Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The BOSGAME P3 Lite Mini Gaming PC is a compact powerhouse designed to deliver desktop-grade performance in an ultra-small form factor. Don't let its size fool you. This mini PC is packed with high-end specifications that make it a perfect choice for gamers, creators, and power users who need a small but mighty desktop. At the heart of the P3 Lite is the AMD Ryzen 7-6800H processor, an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse with a base clock of 3.2 GHz and a boost clock reaching up to 4.7 GHz. This CPU handles multitasking, high-performance gaming, and demanding creative workloads with ease. Whether you're running multiple applications, streaming content, or editing videos, the P3 Lite keeps everything smooth and responsive, without any lag or stutter. Graphics performance is equally impressive thanks to the integrated AMD Radeon 680M GPU, built on AMD's advanced RDNA2 architecture. This allows smooth 1080p gameplay, light 3D rendering, and high-resolution video playback. The combination of AMD's 6nm Zen 3 Plus architecture ensures a balance between strong performance and energy efficiency, keeping the system cool even under heavy workloads. The P3 Lite also comes equipped with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, running in dual-channel configuration at 4,800 MHz, and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. This high-speed memory and storage combination provides lightning-fast data access, reduced latency, and superior overall system responsiveness. Applications launch in seconds, files transfer quickly, and multitasking is seamless. Network connectivity is another area where the P3 Lite shines. It features dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, offering speeds up to 2.5 gigabits per second, 2.5 times faster than traditional gigabit connections. This makes it an excellent choice for networking enthusiasts who want to set up soft routers, NAS systems, or home servers. It's also ideal for high-bandwidth tasks such as cloud backups, media streaming, or connecting multiple devices on the same network. For display and peripheral flexibility, the P3 Lite supports triple display setups. You can connect monitors via USB 4.0, HDMI 2.0, and DisplayPort, each capable of 4K at 60 Hz. The USB 4.0 port offers blistering 40 gigabits per second data transfer, and it supports Thunderbolt 3 peripherals and eGPU setups. This makes the P3 Lite perfect for gamers, content creators, and professionals who need multiple high-resolution displays or fast external devices. Despite its compact size, the P3 Lite does not compromise on reliability. BOSGAME provides a 1-year limited warranty and 24/7 technical support. Whether it's a setup question or troubleshooting, help is just a click away on the official BOSGAME support page. In summary, the BOSGAME P3 Lite Mini Gaming PC combines extreme performance, ultra-fast storage, high-speed connectivity, and triple display support into a compact, energy-efficient package. It's ideal for gamers, professionals, and tech enthusiasts who need desktop-level power in a small footprint. With its Ryzen 7-6800H processor, Radeon 680M graphics, 32GB DDR5 memory, and versatile networking and display options, the P3 Lite delivers a complete, high-performance experience. If you're looking for a mini PC that punches well above its weight, the BOSGAME P3 Lite is an excellent choice.